Welcome back, rail fans. Today we're doing some good old-fashioned rail fanning in the town of Sherman, Kentucky, along the Cincinnati Southern Line at milepost 30.5. Here you'll find Glenville, Kentucky, but we're in Sherman, so what is Glenville? Well, it's what this historic house is called. Way back in 1893, the Southern Railway took ownership of the Cincinnati Southern. Oftentimes, the trains would continue work late into the night and the crews needed a place to sleep, so several houses called section houses were built to house the crews, including this one. But sometime in the 1920s, the house was sold to Grant County and regular residents lived in it until 2008 when it was finally abandoned. That brings us to 2019, when my friend and a friend of his bought the house, obtained a construction permit, and started reconstruction. They're still doing that to this day and calling it Glenville Station. This particular section of track next to Glenville Station is an excellent place to catch Norfolk Southern trains at high speed. The first train is NS Train 188, a mixed freight bound for Detroit, Michigan. In second position was Union Pacific 1995, the Chicago Northwestern Heritage Unit. And now we'll take a little detour. Earlier today we took a stop at the CPL signals at Winton Place. This is on the CSX Toledo sub a few miles north of downtown Cincinnati. If you've seen my Deshler, Ohio videos here on the channel, you might remember that the Toledo subdivision is one of the few places CPL signals still operate. We saw an approach medium signal indication on track 1, which was for this local from the Indiana and Ohio Railway. Now let's head back to Glenville. Our next train was NS number 335.
Norfolk Southern, milepost 33.2, no defects.
The last train of the night was number 189, the counterpart to 188, coming from Detroit and heading to East Point, Georgia. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like down below and hit the subscribe button. I hope everyone had a happy new year, and I'll see you all again soon.